Good morning, students. Lesson number 9, running. Walking, running, jumping, throwing, climbing, descending, sliding, etc. are the natural activities of human being. All these activities are woven around human being in one or another form, in different spans of time. Among these activities like running, jumping, throwing, etc. activities were given the form of competitions. In the sports science, it is known as athletics. 100 meters, 200 meters and 400 meters running are included in short distance running or sprint. It is called a sprint also. The skills of sprint or short distance running. There are 4 main stages of short distance running. Number 1, start. Second, running strides. Third, relax the running, and fourth, finish. There are 3 skills of sprint. The very first, the start. Start means the beginning of the running race. To get victory in the running race, start plays a very important role in the beginning of sprints. The standing start was commonly used by the runners, but due to development of the scientific theories in sports, as a means crunch start in started. Crunch start. The name crunch start has been used since 2 hands and 2 legs remain in touch with the ground. Here you can see bunch or bullet start means the crunch start is divided in 3 types: bullet start, medium start, elongated start. The very first is bullet start. In short distance runs or sprints, competition generally prefer the crunch start. Means crunch start is a compulsory in short distance running. At the other side, which start is compulsory in short distance running? The answer is crunch start. Here we can see on your mark. The on your mark position in the bullet or bunch start, as soon as the command on your mark is heard, each runner places the toes on his strong leg or the starting block at the distance of 30 to 45 centimeter behind the starting line. The main criteria is behind the starting line 30 to 45 centimeter, and then keeping a distance of 5 to 10 centimeter between the heel and the front of part of the toes. Heel and toes between the distance of 5 to 10 centimeter. Next one is, here you can see this is front view. Side view position. Exactly behind the line you can set your both hands. Front side crunch start position. Second step, set. Second step, set. When The starter gives the command, set the runner lane a little forward and raise his buttock. You can see here. And last one is go, a sound of clapper, gun or pistol. For this action, instead of giving oral command, starter gives the order by using one of the above mentioned equipment, means sound or clapper, guns or pistol, whatever. You can see the second skill of very first is we can see the bullet start, medium start, elongated start. Here the same way the medium start, the same part on your mark, set and go. Third one is elongated start, the same way on your mark, set and go. Now here we have to finish of skills, short distance running skill. Start is over. Second one is running strides. Here we can see running strides. The running strides are divided into three parts: starting strides, transitional strides, and third one is top speed strides. First one is bullet start, second one is medium start, and third one is elongated start. You can see the both hands and both leg in elongated start, medium start and bullet start. The very first is starting strides. The first two strides after taking the start are called the starting strides. Transitional strides, 3 to 9 strides after the first two strides are called the transitional stride, and third one is top speed. The strides after the transitional strides until the end of the run are known as the top speed strides. Now the third one is relaxed running, the skill of crunch start or sprint or short distance running. It is called a third one skill, relaxed running. It is necessary to give rest to the muscles during the middle part of running competition of 200 meter or more than 200 meter running. The action is called coasting or relaxed running. Here we can see the chart. Then the skill of short distance running, last one, is crossing the finish line. The athlete should be cross the finishing line with the full speed in order to derive the maximum advantages of his speed. In order to cross the finish line, At the full speed, it is necessary for the athlete to keep running at full speed of 5 to 10 meters even after crossing the finish line. While crossing the finish line, the part of the athlete body between the shoulder and the waist, we can see the first one is crossing the finish line at the maximum speed. The second one is crossing the finish line with the trunk leaning forward. And third one is turn finish. Here we can see the short distance runner has to keep in mind the following point. We have 10 following points. You can see at the time of start, the attention should be concentrated to sound of clapper or the gun, whatever means concentrate. The movement of the hand and the feet should be rhythmic. The body posture should be neat and clean. Elbow at 90 degree, etc., etc. And then after we can see the starting blocks. Charles Sarin has used the crunch start first time in 1887.